Hi, it's Roy from Twisty Road Rider. This next short video is about a sound test I've done with a silencer, and I had the Honda CBR500R stock silencer on the bike, and it did seem a bit quiet, especially filtering in traffic. So I wanted to be heard a little bit more for safety's sake, shall we say. So I went with the Blackwidow 300mm Oval Carbon Silencer. So I got the 300mm because that's a road legal one. So in the video clip, it's me doing a sound test, and I don't think the video does justice to the new exhaust actually, but I definitely recommend swapping out the standard Honda and putting another exhaust on there, because it's going to be louder. This video shows the stock silencer, then I removed the silencer and recorded that footage. Then I put the new Blackwidow silencer on and recorded that, and finally I removed the baffle from the new Blackwidow silencer and do a recording on that. So in order and sequence, the stock silencer is the quietest, without any silencer is going to be the loudest. But there wasn't much in it between the baffle in and baffle out, so I'll let you judge for yourself. But for sure, it's definitely a better and louder silencer.